D-Day is coming. Normandy tomorrow.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me.
So, Serbia, here we are. We are in Belgrade. I'm in Belgrade. I had just a little bit of breakfast, but I'm gonna meet my friend Dulek downstairs now, and we're gonna meet also Nemanja, my other friend. So it will be awesome.
Like me, my love. Just can't like you.
Under pressure, put your hand on me, put your hand on you, my love.
So where are we going now? To the...
We're going to buy insurance for Italy, because Italy is very, very dangerous to go, so we need to buy insurance. Ovako, u 5 sekundi ljudi matičaju 6.
Getting married tomorrow. I need to record it.
Slušala. It's a traditional market, green market. We buy a lot of stuff here. From
This
Serbia
is a
and from
BBC Green Line.
yeah. I'm gonna change Anthony Bourdain because unfortunately he's not available anymore.
Yeah.
But I will taste the fruits from Serbia and I will show you all the best things.
Wow.
I would like
This is perfect for the smoothie.
What would you like to try?
Hello.
If you like, you can try something and we'll.
Yeah. Berries are really good.
Try. This is old-fashioned. Like this is really old brand of raspberries, and actually Serbia has the best raspberries in the world, and we are one of the major exporters of raspberries in the world. And this is something a little bit newer brand.
Yeah.
And this is more. Možemo probamo.
Can I try?
Yeah, of course you can try whatever.
Alright.
And this is Mirko. Ciao Mirko.
Ciao Mirko. High five.
He's gonna be better than Neymar. Će biti bolji od Neymara, a? Hoćeš? Samo da bude ovo, znači vi ne dobijete to super da ništa. She's gonna put it in her hair. Yeah, she's gonna mix it.
Not you, eh?
Not me.
Waiting for Nemanja to come. Does he have a dog? Just for fake dog.
Fake dog is gonna bite my ass. Open the door! Ajde.
Open the door. GoPro, Okay, welcome to my residence.
And everything.
Yeah, wait.
Let's turn on those lights. That's what's up. That's. And I have remote control for specialized.
Of course, I remember.
Ta-da! It's
perfect.
really great, yeah. And this is another setup here with this chair, and of course I will use the same light.
The story about Peja Viskontovic, the guy from Norway, Italian guy from Norway.
Yuri mi fierro, Yuri mi fierro!
When you can't know.
Doing this life. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, brides.
Turn the camera.
Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm in the elevator, reaching my apartment. I have a bunch of gears here that I will test tomorrow. I'll do some retouching today. I will editing a little bit from the day, and
That is, everything around you
going
that
to
you
bed.
call
I'm
life
so tired.
was made up by people that were
See you
no
tomorrow,
smarter
guys.
than you.
More than I can say, do it to me.